Hello, parents and guardians. Miss Greenwich here with just some quick tips that you can do to assist your child with virtual learning. Please watch this video in its entirety. I'm going to take you through Teams and Canvas and just give you an update on how your children can find their lessons and assignments. So let's start with opening up Google Chrome, which is the best place to access your Clever. All of the applications usually work on Google Chrome. So when you log in, you might have to type Canvas here, or there'll be, I'm sorry, not Canvas, you'll type Clever here. And you can type in Clever. Usually the Clever application launches and most of the students have this C here, and that is just a quick link that takes you right to your Clever page. Once your child logs into the school's computer with their ID, it'll usually populate straight to the student's page. So let's start with Teams, okay? My screen looks a little different than your screen. You can also see that I have favored Teams. So if you scroll down to my applications on the district page, you'll see that Microsoft Teams is here. If you favor it, it will be right at the very top for your children. If you click on Teams, you will see that it'll take you straight to a Microsoft Teams page. It is important that you choose the option to download this to the desktop. When you download to the desktop, then your child's, all of the tabs that need to be open will be working and functioning. Okay, so this is my Teams desktop, so your child is going to look different. I'm going to click out of there, and I'm going to go to the Canvas page. Again, my page might look different. You'll double click on Canvas. Canvas is where all of your child's assignments will be. Now, your child should not have this many classes on the dashboard, but they will have my class and probably another performing arts teacher. I'm going to click on the Canvas Greenwich 2020-2021, and it's going to take me to the home page. So let's click on the student version so you can see what it looks like for your child. So now I'm in the student version, and the entire page is full of hyperlinks. This hyperlink takes you to a page all about me, where it just gives you a little background information about me, who I am, and things I like. And then you go back to the home page, and as you scroll down the home page, there's all of these links and pages that can assist you. Here's a link about our class information, or my contact information, how you can contact me. Then class, our daily schedules, my office hours, how you access Teams, and other resources. Today I want to show you what your children should log into tomorrow and how they're going to access their assignments for the week. So the kids already know to log into Teams, and they can click Teams and go straight to my page. Also here in the on this slide, there is a Teams logo that they can click, and it'll direct them to our live teaching page. Okay, so each day, there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you click on the day, it will direct you to our page for Monday. It tells you what we're going to be doing, a reading lesson 1, 2, a math lesson 1 and 2. And as you scroll down, the hyperlink takes you straight to the lesson. So underneath the slide takes you to the lesson, and the students will, well, it's not showing you because I'm not, this is just a version of it, but it will be live tomorrow. You can always go back to the home page to get to wherever you need to go. Okay, tomorrow the students will also learn how to go into a separate small group page. So the small group page will be here on Teams. There are several ways to access the small group page. So here, these group of students, if the students click on this image, it will take them to the small group tab. That is something that I will teach them this week. But if they are telling you they don't know where to go, there are hyperlinks within these slides that tell the students small group here, and you click. Okay, so I hope that this has helped you. This week we're going to be working on how to submit assignments, and they're going to need your assistance with that. Thank you so much. If you need me, please send a message in Canvas or on Class Dojo. Have a great day.